morning, Scots. I'm Lily.
And I'm Celeste. Welcome back to another episode of Scots Weekly.
It's Friday, the vibes are high, and we're ready to bring you everything you need to know to wrap up your week strong.
That's right. We've got school announcements, important updates, and some exciting news coming your way.
So sit back, tune in, and let's get the show started. Kicking things off, starting next Monday, get ready for a full week of dress-up days.
Take a look at this video from Highlands BSU Club with all the details you need to show up and show out.
Good morning, Scots!
We're the BSU Student Council.
And today we're going to be introducing our BSU Spirit Week.
Wake up, wake up! I have a dream. It's Monday. Wear your PJs in honor of MLK.
Tuesday is Sneaker Day. Step into Black History Month with your best sneakers. Wednesday is Unity Day.
Wear black,
Wear yellow
green, or red.
to show unity during Black History Month.
Thursdays, wear your best 90s attire.
Such as jerseys,
Overalls.
or baggy clothing.
Friday, wear purple.
In honor of Ruby Bridges. That's all from us.
Don't forget, Dress Up Week is from
February 23rd.
To February 27th.
Next up, AP students. This is your friendly reminder.
If you've decided to take an AP test, your payment must be turned into the finance office by today. And yes, that does include the $40 late fee.
AP government students, you're in the clear. No late fee for you.
If you already made a down payment back in November, don't forget your remaining balance is also due by today. If it's not paid, your AP test will be canceled.
Got questions? Don't stress. Reach out to your counselor or stop by and see Miss Purcell in room 4G.
Finally, SAT students, if you paid for your March 4th test, you will be getting an information sheet next week.
Reminder, all tests will be in the library. Hang tight, Scots. We're stepping away for a quick break.
Don't move a muscle. We'll be right back.
Hey Scots, don't forget to buy your God Night ticket before March 13th, or you're gonna end up like this.
Get ready, Scouts. FFA week is happening next week. February 23rd to 27th for a week full of fun activities during lunch.
On Monday is Capture the Flag on Tuesday. It's lunchtime trivia on Wednesday. It's FFA Farmers Market on Thursday. It's inflatable teacher race. And on Friday, it's Kiss a Steer.
But don't forget, on Monday, it's not during lunch. It's going to be during 5 p.m. Come out during lunch, participate in the activities, and support your FFA chapter. Let's make it a great week, Highland.
We're back and better than Scots.
You already know what time it is. It's sports time.
Sup, Scots, I'm Frankie Barra.
I'm Luke Parra, back to you with the sports announcements.
Juniors and seniors, it's time for the Ironman.
The ultimate competition between the class of 26 and 27.
If you want to compete, grab your permission slip at lunch.
Boys and girls basketball and soccer has officially wrapped up the year.
Highland is beyond proud of their hard work and dedication to the student athletes and coaches.
Keep pushing, keep grinding for next season, Scott.
Highland wrestling program is on fire right now.
Multiple athletes from the girls and boys have made it to Masters and are heading to the tournament.
Let's go, Scots.
Special shout out to Eric Tellez, Isaac Parra, and RJ Davenport on an amazing season.
And Nehemiah Crony, congrats on the Jockey Award. You're a dog.
Another shout out to Riley Aguilar and Ali Manny on a great soccer season. Peace out, Scots.
Thank you for the update.
Check out these videos, Scots.
I know what can help him.
Hey, want some drugs?
Nah, bro, I'm good.
And remember, Scots, don't do drugs. It'll only lead you into bigger problems.
Hi guys, my name is Miss Serna. I'm the substance abuse specialist here at Highland. If you or anyone you know are struggling with drugs or alcohol, feel free to stop by to the 7 building in the Student Services office or ask a trusted adult and they could go ahead and refer you. Thank you.
All right, Scots, you ready? Whoa, look at these guys very showing up to class. It's test day, Scots. Time to be ready to tie up. The test. All right, Freddie. All right, Luke, be ready. You pass this test, you graduate.
Bro, what you doing?
Bro, I didn't know we had a test today.
Bro, you still gotta be determined and give it your all so that we can graduate. Come on, bro, you got this.
Good job, fellas.
Thank you, Mr. Zavala.
You guys did really good. Both days in the test.
Let's go. At the end of the day, Scots, you guys gotta stay determined and do your work.
And that's a wrap for today, Scots.
We'll catch you right back here next week.
And always,
don't forget
to
plaid up.
Highland.